Welcome to the Dansoy kitchen again. Thanks, friends and family. This is leftover meal 2. It's similar to the other one, but just going to add a little bit different. Like, I have leftovers and I don't want to toss these, so I'm going to cook it up. I'm going to saute spinach. I got spinach left over that goes out of date in like 2 days. I got some leftover chicken. Lettuce, I can toss it on the plate later. We got this pan with a cover, because you're going to need to use olive oil and cover it to kind of saute, steam the spinach. I got some plum tomatoes and diced tomatoes. I got leftover cilantro. I got a lime slice, onions, and I got garlic. This garlic is really cool. It's all like minced. I got this new thing right now, and you just put your garlic inside. You put your garlic inside and then you just crush it. Sorry, I gotta get a stand for this phone. But it just crushes it, and it's really cool. You can find it in most Whole Foods or other stores. You got olive oil, sea salt, and pepper. But we're gonna get started. Thanks for visiting me. And like I said, I'm not an expert. I just learned to cook from my mom and from other people, and we'll take this journey together. We'll learn and we'll live. So I'm back. I have the spinach in there, so I took it there. You can hear it sizzle. You can stir it a bit. But right now you're going to just want to put the cover on. Keep it on low heat and kind of just cook it a little bit. So I'm putting it on low heat and just cook that down. You can see the steam. You make a decision when it's best to add like the other stuff. But be back. While this is cooking, we're just chilling out. We'll add the other stuff. It's a really nice spring day here in the East Coast. It's really nice. But be back in a second. The light is really bad in here. Alright folks, so we did that. We're going to take the cover off. You can see most of the spinach cooked down. I added a little bit more spinach while you were gone. Sorry, stuttering. Like, now we're gonna want to throw some salt in there, and we're gonna throw the remaining tomato in there. Just stir it. You see the colors in there. Colors really pop. Alright, so we're going to add some pepper to that. We got it on low. Just stir it around. You can see the reds in there. Now we're going to add the onion, garlic, and cilantro. Then you're going to want to take that lime, squeeze it in there. Get the juice in there. So just mix that up, and we're going to add the chicken. That's the final ingredient. I had this left over, so we add that chicken. We're going to save the lettuce for the end. Like, you could always put it in there at the end if you want, but I'm not sure how good it would really taste. But we're going to stir that, and then we're going to cover it again and raise the flame. Alright, we're back folks. Like I said, I'm no expert at this. I'm just here to help you, and you're here to help me. You can post in the future your recipes, and I'll learn, and maybe I'll try to cook them if I can. This is live video, so there's going to be bloopers and mistakes in here. I don't want to edit it. I want to keep it as real as possible, because we're all real. So we got all that in there now. The chicken, the cilantro, the onions, and the garlic. Now the thing we're going to do is cover it again, and this will steam it up. With this thing here, you can eat it on your plate over a bed of lettuce, or you can put it on rice, pasta, noodles. So right now we have it on medium, and we're going to let this cook a few minutes, but it's up to your judgment. Nothing's perfect, and it's whatever your like and taste is and your family. So we only got the lettuce left. We got rid of all the leftovers. Alright, so we're done. We're just going to put that on a plate. Put some lettuce on there if you want. I have to get rid of the lettuce, so that's what I'm going to do, but it's like I said, it's up to your preference. So we're back, folks. Here it is. The leftover meal 2. Chicken, cilantro, spinach, onion, garlic, and romaine lettuce underneath. But it came out pretty good. Thanks for visiting me. Thanks for taking this journey with me. I'm a normal guy just like you. I like photography, writing and poems, and cooking. So we're going to take this journey together. Thanks for being a subscriber. Thanks for being here. Can you please subscribe, new people, and hit the bell? I'm going to bring you 2 or 3, maybe up to 5 updates a week. God bless. Love you. Peace out.